Hello, so I'm gonna make another batch of some quick dish soaps. I actually sold all of the flower ones at a recent craft fair, so I needed new flower ones. But this time, for once, I'm going to show you how quickly this goes to mix it up, how fast and how short of a time you want to blend. So I have all my coconut oil melted except for a tiny little blob right here, and ready to pour in the warm lye solution, which is what's in this bucket here. When you're making soap, it's a good thing to have, like, this is my container that I always do lye water in. I never use it for anything else. So that's in, and I'm going to give this the quickest mix ever, just so you can see how fast it goes. And move it a little closer to me to reach my stick blender. Normally I'd like to spare you that noise. See how it has changed to white, and you can see that it is fully emulsified. So I have lemon essential oil and a little bit of some eucalyptus. Again, these are a nice combination too. Get the freshness of the lemon, but you get like the antibacterial properties of the eucalyptus to really clean your dishes nice. They smell good together. They're bright, happy smells. Just want to get it nice and mixed in. And again, you want to pour pretty quickly because it's already starting to thicken even despite the lemon oil. Just want to make sure all that essential oil is blended in. Okay, good. So that's how quick it is, folks. And then I have my individual flower molds on a tray. Like an old baking sheet just lined with parchment. So if you're interested in any of these flower shaped dish soaps or any of the square ones that were lime and tea tree, this batch will be in the next shop update on June 14th. Shop links are listed below. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my channel and take care.